Good evening, tutor and companions. In Activity 3, I described the city of Villavicencio as the place where I spent holidays, and the truth was that my holidays were pleasant. So in the infogram, I will describe the climate of the city, the recommendation, and tourists during the trip. That is what they can do and why not. Now in Activity 5. Through the video, the infogram will be described. The infogram, holidays in Villavicencio. The door to the jam. Stage 1. As they are my first vacation. I arrived to my house to rest and to carry out personal diligence. I also went to walk to the parks, watch volleyball, tournaments, and skate. Villavicencio has beautiful place to know us: parks, rivers, gallery, forests, tourist farm, typical restaurant, bars, and much more. The landscape is fantastic because it is located between mountains and plains. This is imagine. Stage 2. What do we hear like? In the city of Villavicencio, it has beautiful place, and the climate varies in summer and winter. There are hot days, and before going for a walk, we must apply sunscreen to avoid skin burn. It is also better to always carry water to hydrate. And when it's the winter season, almost every day is rainy, and it's better to carry an umbrella and a good jacket. My recommendation: you should use sunblock to not burn yourself. It is recommended the sunglasses. You had better bring umbrellas so you do not get wet. It is had better to carry a bottle of water so that it is always hydrated. Stage 3. What should people do in the place to visit last vacation? Go to eat the typical dish of Jan, meat to the Janera. Other a plan to do is to ride a horse. Those who want to know the earthing plains are recommended you visit the Ocarros Biopark. There they will find the native fauna of our region. Visit the parks and native monuments of Jan. Stage 3. What should people do in the place you visit last vacation? The people should not feed wild animals. It is had better not to travel to Villavicencio when the roads is closed due to landslide. It is better not to wear so many jackets because there are more sunny days than rainy days. The tourists should not use cars in the countryside. This is activity the unit 1 and 2. Goodbye.